Dragi učenici medicinske škole, poštovane kolege, profesori, pozdravljam svi. Dragi, dobro nam došao. Sretni smo što u našoj sredini možemo susresti ovako velikog govornika i motivatora koji će posvjedočiti svojim životom medicinarima kako treba biti prema osobi koja možda ima tjelesni ili bilo kakav problem, a možda ima problem i psihološki narav. Hvala lijepo što ste došao, još jednom srdečan pozdrav.
Da nameste malo. Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Kako ste vi? Da ne govorim jako dobro uopšte, ali volim vas. I love you so much. Thank you so much for your welcome. I see you've done some signs for me. It's my privilege to be here today.
Zaista mi je velika privilegija biti ovdje.
It's the only high school that I'm speaking to in the country this trip.
Ovo je jedina srednja škola u kojoj ću biti za sada.
I just hope that you're going to enjoy
I nadam se da ćete uživati u ovoj maloj vremenu.
I know that many of you probably have seen YouTubes.
Znam da ste mnogi od vas možda vidjeli YouTube snimke o meni.
Some maybe have seen everything, maybe some haven't.
Možda ste vidjeli sve, možda niste.
But you know that I love life.
Znate da volim život.
I'm just going to smile at these cameras. Okay? Because I really want the people behind me one step at a time.
Trebam uzeti korak po korak.
Truth takes you closer to your full potential. My parents would say, well, you're just special.
Moji roditelji su rekli, ti si tako poseban.
I didn't want to be special.
Nisam htio biti poseban.
I wanted to be normal.
Htio sam biti normalan.
But when I went to school,
Kad sam išao u školu,
I was the only one in a wheelchair.
bio sam jedini u kolicima.
And I felt like giving up.
I mislio sam odustati.
Why?
Zašto?
Because I had fear.
Zato što sam imao strah.
Fear of what my life is going to look like.
Strah od onoga kakav će moj život izgledati.
Imagine the fear that my parents had.
Zamislite strah koji su moji roditelji imali.
My mom, who was a nurse when she gave birth to me,
Moja mama koja je bila medicinska sestra dok me je rodila,
they had ultrasounds done,
imali su ultrazvuk tada,
but they never checked to make sure that I had arms and
ali
legs.
nikad nisu provjerili da imam ruke i noge.
So when I was born,
Tako da kad sam se rodio,
I said, surprise!
rekao sam iznenađenje.
And they didn't know what things I could do.
Nisu znali što bi se moglo dogoditi.
The doctors actually said that I'd never walk in my life.
Doktori su rekli da nikad neću hodati u životu.
And I'm walking
A
today.
sad hodam.
I have this little foot.
Imam ovu malu nogu.
I love this thing.
Volim ju.
Man, we take so many things for granted.
Toliko stvari uzimamo zdravo za gotovo.
I used to take my foot for granted.
Nekad sam uzimao zdravo za gotovo i ovu nogu.
You know that saying?
Znate li onu uzrečicu?
You don't know what you got till it's gone.
Ne znate što imate dok to ne izgubite.
One day,
Jednog dana.
I was playing soccer,
Igrao sam nogomet.
and my friend was a long distance away.
I moj prijatelj je bio na drugoj strani igrališta.
And he says, are you
I
ready?
rekao, jesi spreman?
I said, yeah!
Da!
My knees were shaking.
Moja koljena su se tresla.
And he gets ready, and he goes,
I lupio me na nogu.
and the ball's coming right for me.
I lopta ide točno prema meni.
You know that feeling that you get that no matter where you go, it
Znate
doesn't
taj
matter.
osjećaj da bez obzira gdje odete,
It's going to hit you.
pogodit će vas.
I had that feeling.
I taj osjećaj sam imao.
So I thinking maybe I can headbutt it.
Da li da lupim glavom?
No, it's a bit too low.
Možda je to nisko.
Can I kick it?
Da je lupim?
No, that's a bit too high.
Možda je previsoko.
So I did, you know the Matrix?
Znate li onaj Matrix? Film?
Everything's in slow motion.
Sve je usporeno.
So I jumped up in the
Dakle,
air.
sam skočio u zrak.
And while I jumped up in the
I
air,
dok sam skakao u zrak,
like this. And the ball came,
i lopta je došla,
hit my foot,
pogodila moju nogu,
bent it backwards,
izvrnula unazad,
and I heard a
napravila.
no. I sprained my foot.
Izvrnuo sam nogu.
And he went, I couldn't use it.
Nisam je mogu koristiti više.
I felt disabled for the first time.
Po prvi put sam se osjetio nesposoban.
Nesposoban, da. I couldn't walk for 3 weeks.
3 tjedna nisam mogao hodati.
And in my life,
U mom životu.
I had to walk at those 3 weeks
I u te 3 tjedna
with my foot in the air like this.
morao sam hodati sa nogom u zraku.
Šta je ovo, bre?